Done? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another daily vlog. So, in today's vlog, as you guys can see over here, there's a gift that's been sent to me by my family relative. So, ये gift का unboxing करते हैं and बहुत मज़ा आएगा. मैं बहुत excited भी हूँ ये पूरा चीज़ को unbox करके आपको बताने के लिए, because this is the first time कि मेरा पूरा YouTube चैनल चालू करने के बाद एक unboxing का वीडियो के साथ मैं मेरा vlog को शुरुआत कर रहा हूँ. So, let's get started. So guys, now let's start the whole unboxing, and before unboxing I would like to say that this gift is being sent to me by my sister Jayashree from Bangalore. So thank you, Chichi. So let's start the whole unboxing, and it's from the nursery life. So I hope these are plants only, and she was also telling me that these are plants. So now let's see what plants he has sent, and let's begin with the smallest box, which is this big. So we carefully remove it because all things has the marking. This is the upside, so I guess if the pot is in the down, it shouldn't be tilted because then it will damage the roots. We are not able to pull the plant from here. I think the leaves will get damaged. So I'm planning to open this part so that I can pull the whole sapling down from here. Dun-dun-dun. So guys, this is peace lily. It's mentioned in the box. So it's an indoor plant, and there's a flower that comes. In this plant, it's a small plant. The flower is something like this. It's in white color and it has a yellow kind of a stem in between. So thank you so much, Chichi, once again. Now let's unbox the second plant. This is called Demicus rose. So like in the previous unboxing, मेरे को समझ गया कि नीचे से खोलना पड़ेगा. सो जेंटली थोड़ा सा इसको टेढ़ा करके मैं नीचे से अनबॉक्स करता हूँ. अरे बाप रे बाप रे बाप रे बाप रे बाप, बहुत सारे पत्ते झड़ गए. वाह. सो गाइस, दिस इज द सेकंड प्लांट. इट्स डेमिकस रोज. इसको जल्दी से प्लांट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इसके सब पत्ते झड़ रहे हैं, सनलाइट नहीं मिला करके. यहाँ पे रोज के कली भी दिख रहे हैं, 1 2 3. सो इसको जल्दी से प्लांट कर लूँगा. लास्ट एंड फाइनल पैकेज. इट्स कॉल्ड रात की रानी, एंड दिस शुड बी प्लांटेड डाउन. जैसा जयश्री ने बोला कि ये इसका बड़ा ट्री आता है. सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस ऑल्सो. So guys, this is the third plant. It's called रात की रानी. And जैसा उनका पैकेजिंग था वैसे ही ये स्मॉल, मीडियम एंड लार्ज 3 प्लांट्स का मैंने आपको अनबॉक्सिंग करके बताया. थैंक यू सो मच जयश्री once again and the whole family, कुंजू, श्रीराम अंकल, everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. तो अभी देखते हैं आगे मेरा पूरा दिन का शेड्यूल कैसा रहने वाला है. I hope you guys are enjoying. Stay tuned and watch my video till the end. So I have my client here with me, and her name is Chetna. So you can see her, she is busy doing her own tattoo sketch, and I really admire when clients come to me and they get something really original that they want for the life. So Chetna is doing her drawing now. It's a small flower that she wants on her calf, and she wants 2 tattoos basically today. The second one is a wave which has 2 streaks of water, and that also is going to be a very small and a minimalistic tattoo. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy the tattoo. So stay tuned. Without wasting more time, let's get started. finally the tattoo is complete and the first tattoo is done. So now we are going to start with the second tattoo, and hope you all are going to enjoy the second tattoo too. Check this out, guys. Very simple but yet very unique. So my client has got two tattoos. One is this, the other one is the flower. So both are minimalistic tattoos. So tattoo finally khatam ho chuka hai, and now I have Chetna with me over here, and let me ask her how her experience was in getting tattoo done from me. By the way, this is her second time she's come to me to get her tattoo done, and this time she's got two tattoos done. The previous time she came, that was she got her first tattoo done. So now let's ask her how her experience was.
Hi, so I got my second and third tattoo done. I am at Rahul's home tattoo studio. The reason I came here again is because I got one tattoo done from him already, and it was a really nice and easy process, and I really like the way he works. He's very clean with his work. There is like minimal pain, and he's very professional. So I called him up again because I wanted to get a couple of more tattoos, and yeah, I'm very happy with it.
So what's up guys, welcome back. And अभी चेतना का टैटू फिनिश करने के बाद आज बैक टू बैक दूसरा अपॉइंटमेंट है ये, एंड आई हैव माय क्लाइंट ओवर हियर. हिज नेम इज आल्सो राहुल. सो ही इज फ्रॉम चुनापट्टी, एंड हिज डिजाइन इज फाइनलाइज्ड ओवर हियर. इट्स एन ओम टैटू, सो इट्स गोना बी ऑन हिज नेक. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this tattoo also. So stay tuned, and now let's get started. So finally the tattoo is completed. Check out the details. So it's done in dot work and filling. This is how the tattoo looks. सो गाइज फाइनली टैटू ख़त्म हो चुका है, एंड यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो राहुल सर बैठे, एंड उनसे हम उनका फर्स्ट टैटू का एक्सपीरियंस पूछते हैं कि कैसा उनका एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे से टैटू बनाने का.
This is my first tattoo and this is very amazing, and thank you so much Rahul, thank you so much. This is tattoo.
Thank you so much.